Please, I know you will feel.
Ekyombeko kiyiguraho enganzi y'ihanga Robert Nabanja ajwekirwe Minisita w'enshonga z'abakozi Maruru Makasa kandi nikishangwa omu kyaro kya Katsingo omu rurembo rwa Hoima omu kyanga kya Bunyoro. Ekyombeko eki kiza kuba kirimu obureeberezi bw'ebitongore 14 ebirimu obuheereza obw'endangamuntu, passport, driving permit, ebyapa by'itaka, certificate z'ebigombe byabika oguze n'obundi buheereza.
Bana abantu abaikakani baruwatani bagenda Kampala nkunyobwe ebya pensioni bikuntalibaniza kakusanga bikutalibaniza hano hadu district local government rundi hasite hati rubata utahe munu abokaja kuba haru minister of public service ne tugambira ngo harono kigaranga taina wana
transporting abeni baturukia kugenda ministries ezikuwakana Kampala abobuheereza obuno obwire buno bajja kuba ne bakisevinga nesigala mu nsawo nekole ebindi.
Grace Mary Mugisha ori Minisita omuhwezi w'enshonga z'abakozi yajya ngo kuhika ahari eki nikijaho bwa nyuma y'endagano eyakozerwe omu mwaka gw'2018 hagati y'ihanga rya Uganda hamwe n'erya Azerbaijan.
I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for your warm hospitality and for making it possible for us to be here today.
Hati kwenda kusima Minister of Works abo bwana bo baina mobile kit baitu bagenda kuikara na hano okusanga omusomesa kwenda ku registeringa kurubata kugenda Kampala no registeringe lero bikyakolerwa nka
obutumwa bw'enganzi y'ihanga Robert Nabanja bwamushomerwa Minisita w'enshonga z'abakozi Maruru Makasa.
The transformation of the public service through setting up and making sure that centers like this work, which we call Service Uganda centers, is one of the reforms the government of Uganda has adopted to improve service delivery. And this is in line with Cabinet Decision number 48, CT 2019, which approved the establishment of 19 regional service centers in the country.
Gavumenti ine enteekateeka y'okutaho emyanya 18 endijo nkeegi omu byanga 18. Gashakwa Ambrose n'Wagaba Katoto.